How to send photos and videos in Microsoft Teams. Whether you are sharing project files, sending in screenshots, or uploading clips from your phone, Teams make it easy to send media in chats and channels. So here's how you can do it. Firstly, you want to open your chat with the person or your group or whatever you want, and then we will have these icons next to your typing a message. So firstly, what you can try, if you want to attach only photo or video, you can click on this attach media, and then you have two options. You can attach it from cloud files or from your device. So let's say I will click on upload from this device. I will click on desktop and I can upload my video over here. So I'm gonna click on open. So this is going to send the video, and you can do the same with the images. So I'm gonna upload my image over here, and now we can send it. All right, so this is how you can send photos and videos in Microsoft Teams. If you want to send something else like PDF file, you need to use this attach files next to attach media. So you can upload from this device, and you can upload your PDF, for example. So this was a quick video how you can send photos and videos in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.